Get paid to be a gaming tutor for kids while playing Fortnite, FIFA and more. Tutoring is an easy way to earn a bit of money on the side, but combine it with playing video games and it's a dream job. Here's how it works. Learning through video games. Interestingly, although video games and Pythagoras don't sound like they would naturally go together, science suggests that playing video games can actually aid learning. Research has shown that just 1 hour of video gaming can increase the brain's ability to focus, as it improves visual selective attention. Plus, it's been suggested that expert gamers have more brain activity associated with attention than non-experts. Because of this, whether a student plays video games as a hobby in their spare time or they're aiming for a career as a professional gamer, gaming can be really beneficial to them. Make money playing video games. Tutoring while playing computer games is a great way to make money. Esports tutors focus on helping students with specific skills like reaction times and in-game tactics, whatever area of gaming the student's keen to improve on. Tutors can work remotely or in person. How much money you can earn with it varies on a lot of different things, from the platform and game you choose to your skill level. On SuperProf the average gaming tutor's ask is £9 per hour, but you can charge more if you're particularly skilled in a certain game. You can also list your gaming services on Fiverr, where we've seen popular tutors charge anything from £5 all the way to £45+ per hour. There are also dedicated websites for gaming tutors like Gaming Sensei, WeCoach and Metafee. While most of the prices are listed in dollars, people from the UK can also sign up to become coaches/tutors. Once again, the prices per hour vary quite a bit on these sites, but we've seen some tutors charge over $50 per hour, around £42 per hour. Keep in mind that these platforms sometimes charge a percentage of your income. It's worth checking this before signing up as it'll quickly eat into your income. If you're working remotely, just remember you'll need access to your own console and the desired game before you start. How to become a gaming tutor? As mentioned before, there are a couple of sites you can sign up for if you want to become a gaming tutor. For each of them, there's a different way to sign up. For websites like SuperProf and Fiverr, you'll have to create an account and post a free ad. You can then accept or reject any requests. You can also set your own prices doing so, but make sure to keep them competitive. When it comes to more dedicated websites like Gaming Sensei, you'll have to apply before being able to start tutoring. The processes are different per site, but if you have the right skills, it's worth a try. Now's the time to brush up on your FIFA skills. Why not impress them with an actual video game CV? Just one example of an alternative CV which will help you stand out from the crowd.